Hi, I'm DMac with VerifyiQ. In this series, we will be discussing new features. All of these new features were requested by you based upon your feedback. So please, keep your comments coming.
In today's video, I will show you how to set the minimum acceptable score. Now, the minimum acceptable score is an account level setting. Therefore, it can only be set by the admins of the VerifyiQ account. To find this setting, please come to the gear icon in the top right-hand corner and then scroll down to Acceptable Score. You can turn the acceptable score on and off by using the toggle button, and you can select the correct level down here in the drop-down. Once you have selected the correct level and enabled the minimum acceptable score, please click on Save Score. Now, the minimum acceptable score has been set for all of your clients. I hope you have enjoyed today's video, and if you have any questions, please let me know.